Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how you can use Kaspersky VPN. Kaspersky VPN is good for hide your real IP, or if you want to open any blocked website, then you can use it easily. It will give you 200 megabyte free data. So here is how you can use it. First, open your Kaspersky Internet Security. Let me open for my, and then here you can see my Kaspersky Internet Security interface. So click on this More Tools. After you click on More Tools button, here you can see Cloud Protection, Quarantine, on-screen keyboard, and then Kaspersky Rescue Disks. We don't need them right now. We are looking for Kaspersky VPN, so we need to click on this My Network, and here you can see Kaspersky VPN, Secure Data Transfer, Kaspersky VPN Secure Data Transfer. You have to click on this, and your become less visible online. This is your Kaspersky VPN settings. You can click on Open, and this is your Kaspersky VPN interface. So if you have any license or activation code, you click on this. If you don't have any activation code right now, you can still use it, because you will get free daily limit 200 megabyte. It will give you free 200 megabyte limit. Like for some time you can use it. Yeah, you can see this is a free VPN server is free, because I don't have any subscription right now for Kaspersky VPN, so it will be show me VPN free. It will only connect to free server. Okay, now how you can use it? You just click on this and your VPN will be open. Let me open it for me, and it will connecting. Right now you can see Kaspersky VPN is connected. Here you can see my Kaspersky VPN is connected. If you want to disable, just click on it and it will disable. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any query, you can comment. If you want to get any other video on other topic, you can comment. Thank you. Bye.